Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and this is part 3, I think, of my Unity tutorial. Might be 4, I'm not sure. I think it's 3. So in the last video I showed you how to make materials, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get custom models, or actually just get models into here. Link in the description on GitHub to where to get my models. So download the file. Sorry about that sound. And then create a new folder of models and put them in there. So you'll have enemy, person, and tree. So I'm going to drag this tree in. That's pretty good. Add tree. I'm going to zero out this position. 90. Yeah. There we go. And now to get our person in, I will select the player OBJ, and the mesh to cube. No, oh, is it just really small? Yeah, it's just really tiny. Yeah, never mind. I'll keep it as that. Create a new player OBJ by dragging the person onto the player. Press -90 there. Blender has a weird exporting thing of when it exports FBX. It makes it so the rotation is 89.98, -89.98. So let's also rotate this 90. So you can see I'm going for a low poly style for this basic game. You don't need my AAA style graphics. And now let's just drag our enemy in here. It's just a small little red guy. Oh, here's his eyes. I thought his eyes went there, so I'll make a enemy object and make it at the 0 out its position. And drag the enemy object as enemy OBJ, and rename tree OBJ, and rename person to player OBJ. Okay, there we go. We have a bunch of models in our game. So that was pretty basic. So you can see he's not falling any because I didn't add a rigid body or collider to him. So let's add that to the player. Let's click on player, not player OBJ this time. Add component physics, and I don't think you can do mesh colliders with rigid bodies in the current version of Unity. So I'll do a box glide. Well, no, I'll do a capsule glider with with a rigid body, because that's kind of like the closest. Well, I should do a box glider. That'll be better. Box glider. And I'll press edit glider here, this button, and drag these like dots around, and zero out that, and zero out the what -1. No, just have my positions wrong. This says X is that way. I guess Y it is? No? Is it the Z? Positions mixed up. So now make it so the glider is down at his feet and up at his head. And now we have our player. Drag it up, and let's scale up the tree to 2. Left click on tree and select 2, 2, and 2 to scale it up 2 times its normal size. And now the player should fall. Let's play, and he falls and collides with the ground. So, that is the basics of implementing models in Unity. I will see you in the next one, and hopefully you have not given up on Unity yet. It's going to be easy once you remember how to do everything. You just have to learn it. And I will see you in the next one.